Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to share live location on your Google Maps to anybody. So let us first open our Google Maps. I'll just open it. So here what you need to do is, once your Google Map is opened, you'll be having this kind of window. So here what you will be doing is, just go to your profile on your rightmost topmost corner of your phone. Go to your profile, just click here, and you can see there's something called location sharing. Just go to location sharing and you can see there is something called share location here. So it will share only real-time location with whomever you share this by app. So I'll click on share location here. Once you click on share location, it will by default say for 1 hour your live location. So we'll say for 1 hour or until you turn this off. So for example, if you want to change the time, you can click on this minus button, 48 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So if I increase, it's like 1, 2 hours, 3 hours. So it's your choice for how much time you want to share this location. So here you can share this in any mode, like a link will go to that very person, and once that person clicks that link, he can check the location in his Google Map. So for example, if you share this location in WhatsApp, for example, I'll share this in WhatsApp. I click here, share it or share with a link. Anyone with this link will be able to see your name, photo and real-time location. So I'll share, and once I do share, it will take me to WhatsApp to find that very person to whom I want to share. For example, if I click on this person, I share. So this is how that person will get a link of my location. If that person clicks this link, it will open again. It will open in Google Map, and he or she would be able to see my live location again for 45 minutes. So how to stop this sharing? So you have to again go to that map. Just show you. Go back. Same. Go to share location sharing, and it will show that sharing via link. Already it is sharing via link, and it will also show you the time remaining for that person in which you can see my location, my live location. So if I click here you can see there is something called, I'll show you, stop. That is, it will stop sharing your location further. If I click on stop, you can see your location is no longer shared. Even if they have the link, even if that person has the link, it will no more share the location. So friend, this is how you share the live location on Google. Wherever, if you want your location to be shared by your friends or family, if you are outside, if you are going somewhere and you want your location to be shared, you can do it in this way. Well, this kind of feature is already there in WhatsApp, but this is a direct link from Google Maps itself. So you can use it and enjoy the benefit. So friend, that's it. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such informative videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.